previously we discussed the integrated equation, nothing but rate constant equation for zero order. So today we are going to integrated equation, nothing but rate constant. So for a first order equation, the integrated equation or rate constant equation, how we can derive the rate constant equation. Simple concept for first order reaction. So here we are using our equation same. Here this equation we assume the first order, that is the reactant is converted to the product. Reactant is converted to the product. Let us assume this is the first order equation. Reactant is converted to the product. Here we assume this is the first order. So from rate equation, for this equation, the rate equation or rate law is the R is proportional to the reactant concentration power 1. So the sum of the powers of the concentration of the reactant in rate equation or rate law is equal to 1. So it is called as a first order equation. First order equation. So the sum of the powers of the concentration of the reactant in rate equation is equal to 1. It is called as a first order. So from the rate of reaction concept, or according to the definition of the rate of reaction, for this equation, the rate of reaction R is equal to delta by delta T reactant concentration with the negative sign. R in place of the delta, here we are using the T also. So d by dt reactant concentration with the negative sign. So R is equal to delta by delta T, negative sign reactant concentration, or d by dt is equal to reactant concentration with the negative. So already we have known the negative sign means that is indicate the reactant concentration. Reactant concentration already studied in the rate of reaction concept. So let this is the equation 2. So in the equation 1, R will be given. In the equation 2, the R value will be present. That is the d by dt reactant concentration with the negative sign. So this equation 2 R value is substituted in the equation 1. So equation 2 is substituted in the equation 1. Equation 2 R value, that is d by dt minus R, is substituted in the equation 1 in place of the R. So the equation is converted as a, in place of the R, d by dt reactant concentration minus is proportional to reactant concentration power 1. So this is the equation 1. In this equation 1, in place of the R, we are substituting the d by dt reactant concentration with the negative sign. Remaining is the same, proportionality reactant concentration power 1. So then, same concept, when we are remove the proportionality, we get the constant. Here the constant is the K. So d by dt reactant concentration is equal to K into reactant concentration power 1. Why here we are using the power means? Power 1 means this is the first order chemical equation. So then minus d by R reactant concentration into R, this dt goes to the this side, so K into dt. Here this equation will be written as a minus 1 by reactant concentration into dr. Simple, this is the expand as a minus 1 by R, remaining is the dr is equal to K dt. So here we apply the integration on the both sides. We apply the integration on both sides. Then integration 1 by R dr is equals to K into integration dt. According to the mathematics, on integration, one formula will be present, that is the integration of 1 by R dr. Nothing but integration of 1 by x dx. Integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x. So similarly on that way, integration of 1 by R dr is equal to ln R. It is the mathematical formula. So here also same, integration 1 by R dr is equal to ln R. Remaining is the negative sign is equal to K. Integration dt is the T plus C. So minus ln R is equal to Kt plus C. Let this is the equation 3. So same concept, when t is equal to 0 time, the reactant concentration is taken as a R naught. R naught means already we studied in the zero order reaction. That is the reactant concentration at zero time. Reactant concentration at zero time. So if T is equal to 0, the reactant concentration is equal to reactant concentration 0, means R is equal to R. So this value is substituted in the equation 3. So Ln R is converted to the R naught is equal to K. In place of the T, we substitute the 0 time plus C. Then here we have get the C value. That is the C is equal to minus Ln R naught. K is 0, C. So C is equal to minus Ln R naught. Let this is the equation 4. So when we observe the equation 3 and equation 4, when we observe the equation 3 and equation 4, equation 3 and equation 4, in the equation 3 the C will be present, in the equation 4 the C value will be present. So that C value that is in equation 4 is substituted in the equation 3. That means in equation 4 C value will be present. This C value is substituted in the equation 3. So equation 4 is substituted in the equation 3. Then equation 3 Ln R minus is equal to K. In place of the C we substitute the minus Ln R. So the equation 3 is converted as a minus Ln R is equal to KT minus Ln R. Then this equation is converted to the Ln R naught minus Ln R is equal to KT. Ln R naught minus Ln R is equal to KT. How we can do here? Simple. This minus Ln R naught is goes to the left side. This minus Ln R naught is goes to the left side. That side minus value is converted to the plus. So the equation E changes as Ln R naught is equal to Ln R into KT. So according to the mathematics, the log A by B formula is the log A minus log B. Log A by B formula is the log A minus log B. Here observe, it is same in that model. Log A minus log B means log A by B means Ln A minus Ln B means Ln A by B. Nothing but Ln R naught minus Ln R. Ln R naught by R. Then the end is equal to K. So in rate of reaction, the temperature effect already studied the Ln value is equal to 2.303 log. Ln is equal to 2.303 log. This natural log is converted to the log. So that is multiplied with 2.303. So in place of the Ln, we have substituted the 2.303 log remaining R naught by R is equal to K. So here we derive the rate constant equation, means nothing but K. So K is equals to this P goes to the denominator. So finally we get that K is equals to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. So K is equals to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. So this is the first order equation. First order equation, rate constant equation for the first order. Nothing but integrated equation for the first order. What is that? K is equals to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. K is equals to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. So this is the integrated equation or rate constant equation for first order. Previously we derived the integrated equation or rate constant equation for zero order. That is the K is equals to R naught minus R by T. K is equals to R naught minus R by T. So in this we derive the integrated equation or rate constant equation for first order. That is the K is equals to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. So K is equals to 2.303. K is equals to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. So same concept. Where R naught is the reactant concentration at zero time. What is the reactant concentration at zero time? R reactant concentration after some time. Normal R is the reactant concentration after some time. So reactant concentration at 0 time means another meaning of that is the initial concentration of the reactant. Initial concentration of the reactant, nothing but the reactant concentration at 0 time, that is the R naught. R is the reactant concentration after some time. Reactant concentration after some time. So this is the rate constant equation. Rate constant equation or integrated equation for first order. Same operation here we can do. That operation will be equal to the zero order equation. So for first order equation, reactant is converted to the product. So here rate equation, rate law. We should write the rate equation or rate law and rate of reaction. So from this rate equation or rate law, equation 1 and rate of reaction equation 2, finally we write this equation. So in this equation, when we apply the integration, when we apply the mathematical operation, that is the integration. So finally we are get the rate constant equation. Finally we get the rate constant equation. Nothing but integrated equation for first order. Integrated equation or rate constant equation for first order. That is the k is equals to what is that 2.303 by t log r naught by r. K is equals to 2.303 by t log r naught by r. So R naught means that is the reactant concentration at 0 time, nothing but initial concentration of the reactant. R is the reactant concentration after some time. So this is the rate constant equation for first order. So remaining we continue in the next class.